guys, this is so crazy. I just found a tool way to clean your iPhone.
I also just cheated on my wife, if you want to know that, and she found out about it.
Okay guys, so after that, you take your iPhone. So yeah, after that, you
I'm sorry, I kind of lost control.
Okay guys, so after that, you just get your iPhone with your greasy, oily hand. So after that, awkward contact, you take your phone, which is over 500 years old, you slap it on. Sorry, let me do that again. Okay, so after you put it on your. You can do this. You can do this. Okay, so after you get your phone on your leg like that, you. Okay, so then you get your phone and you just rub dub on that. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Okay, good. We gotta go. We won't notice this. Just rub it off. Okay, guys. So after you do that, we don't use that here. That's cheap. You have your perfect phone. Isn't it so pretty? Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, man. They won't ever know that I didn't actually use my leg, because that would just destroy your actual phone. That would be really crazy. Haha, those idiots. We're all going to subscribe, like, and comment.
Wait, this thing is on. I didn't say anything.